Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've known about this forever, but I never have really shown it off on a video because I don't use it. But I think I'm going to start using it. If you want these two items grouped, you've got to use two fingers to go Control G to group them together. R, which I do a lot in my videos. Let me ungroup them. Well, okay. Or you can go up here and go to Object and Group. Or, as I'm going to show you right now, you could select them all and you can right-click your mouse and go Group. So it's just your right mouse button. And there's a lot of things you can do with the right mouse button. Right-click, and I'm going to turn this into a curve. And by doing that, and now I've got nodes. Now there is a hotkey for that. Let me turn it back. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go up to Object and convert it to a curve or Control Q. And one of them I'm pretty sure I'm going to start using is if I want this blue one on top of the yellow one, I'm going to right-click and go Order and go front of page. And there's a lot of other things you can do. Combine it, group it, cut it, copy it, delete it. You know, the order every way. You could hide it, you could lock it. I don't ever use Power Clip, but you could use it. Create a new symmetry, symbols, create a new symbol, and so on, or get the properties of what you've got selected. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of insight, and thank you for watching.